Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the purple emperor butterfly in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to catch the purple emperor, you need to go to the whale mountain right here. And don't forget to prepare your net. And this is the purple emperor. Wait, let me try to catch it. Okay. I've just catched the purple emperor, and let me show you my insect story to show you the information about the purple emperor butterfly. Okay, as you can see here that this insect is active daily, and you can catch this insect during the sunny day and also during the rainbow event. And for the source, you can catch this butterfly in the flower field, specifically at the Whale Mountain. Okay, and just explore this area to catch more purple emperor. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the purple emperor in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.